Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this fall makeup look that you see on my eyes, and I used the Naked Heat palette by Urban Decay Cosmetics. This is one of my favorite palettes ever. I got it last year and I am obsessed. And I'm not exaggerating when I say obsessed. I will wear it every day in the fall. So yeah, if you'd like to see how I got this makeup look using the Naked Heat palette, just keep on watching. Okay, so to start off this makeup look, I'm going to push my hair back with a headband just to get it out of the way. My hair is always in the way when I'm trying to do makeup. Next, I'm going to take my primer and prime my eyelids. So, while I'm doing this, who all is excited for Halloween? I am super excited. I'm just gonna rub it all over my lid just to prime the lids. But I am so excited. As you can see, I am in my new apartment and I posted that video, my apartment tour video. I will put it up here in the corner for you so you can see it and click on that and watch that if you'd like to. But yeah, so I'm in my new apartment and we started decorating. I can do a full Halloween tour if anyone is interested. But yeah, I have my two little pumpkin guys and some of our lights. These orange lights I got last year at Dollar General and I've just been using them. We have them on the stairs, around our windows, and just stuff like that. So if anyone's interested in that, I could do a Halloween house tour. Next, I'm going to bust out my Naked Heat palette. I love this palette so much. This palette is life. It's just so beautiful. It's amazing. It is the perfect fall palette for anyone. It's just, there's one more time. I love this palette so much. So I'm gonna take the color Chaser, it's the second one right there, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease. And for right now, I am gonna use the brush that came with it, just to use it, see how it goes. I think it had a little bit of pigment left over from the other one, which is why I just did that. I'm gonna switch brushes. I think this brush might be dirty. So I'm actually gonna use this brush. This is one of my favorite brushes. It was in one of my videos. I don't remember what it's called. It doesn't have the name on it. But yeah, I'm switching brushes because I think the brush I was using had a leftover makeup on it, which is really bad. Like, see how next, I'm going to take a little bit of Sauced, the third color, and I'm just going to pack that at the lower half of the crease. Wow, it's like really orange. Okay, I grabbed a lot. You do not have to grab a lot at all because it is so pigmented. You really don't have to grab a lot. Wow, it looks so pretty already. Okay. So I am going to switch back to this brush that came in the Naked Heat palette, and I'm going to use the shade Lumbre, which is right there. You can see I've used it a lot. It's one of my favorites. I'm going to put that right in the center here. Because I love this color and I think it is the star of the show, so I like to put it right in the middle. Next, I'm going to take the other end of the brush. It's dual-sided. I just used this side, as you can see. So now I'm going to use this side, and I'm going to jump into probably Scorched right here. Scorched is this really beautiful pink color. So I'm going to jump into that, and I'm going to put it on my outer third. Hello, Esk. Oh my gosh! Wait. Do you like my Halloween setup? Next, I'm going to go into Ounce, which is this first color, and I'm just gonna put that right in the inner corner of my eye, just so I can get that out of the way. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the upper part under my eyebrow. Okay, so next I'm gonna take this small fine eyeliner brush by Eco Tools, and I'm going to dip into Ashes, the purple color, and I'm gonna start darkening up the areas that I want to be dark. So I'm gonna start right out here, and I'm just gonna start packing that purple on. I love the purple because it does remind me so much of fall instead of just adding brown. Don't mind Eska, I don't know what she's doing. Eska, what are you doing? Hi, cutie. I don't know what she's doing. So don't mind her. Anyways, I like the purple because you can really blend into all the other colors in this palette instead of just brown, even though they do have a brown color called Ember, but it's, well, and they have Low Blow, which is kind of like a warm brown color, but I don't know, it's not browns, it's more oranges and reds and pinky colors and stuff. So I really like using purple as the dark color, just because it's different, you know. I think Eska finally just lay down. Ooh, okay. You guys, I'm using the window as a light, and it just got a little bit dimmer. So now you can see my background lights more. You can see that pumpkin in our lights. And I really like it. I'm getting the spook vibes. Oh, now it's coming back. See, if the lighting keeps changing, it's because clouds are moving in front of the sun. I'm sorry. I don't have a ring light. Well, I have a makeup ring light, but it doesn't work as well as a normal ring light. So just bear with me with this natural sunlight. I'm gonna take that brush I used earlier in my crease and just blend it a little, you know, just blend the edges, because you don't want any harsh edges. I love warm tones too. I think they're just so gorgeous. Next I'm gonna get the color En Fuego, and it's right next to Scorched. It's this really deep color. En Fuego. Really, really deep red, and I'm just gonna put it right next to the color Ashes that I put down, that purple color. just to aid in the transition a little bit, I'm adding Scorched. A little bit more Scorched. So I'm gonna go back in with Chaser, this second color, and I'm just going to blend stuff out that we put down just to make sure we're all nice and blended. Just a little bit of Chaser and a little bit of blending action. So I'm gonna take Ashes, the purple color, and I'm just gonna run it underneath my eye. And then En Fuego, the really deep red color. Can't even see my pumpkins. And then Scorched. See that color? And then Lumbre. Right in there. Last, I'm going to take a little bit of Cayenne. It is this color right here, and I'm just gonna deepen up my crease a little. Okay, I will be right back. I'm gonna go put on my eyeliner and my mascara. Okay guys, this is the final makeup look. Before I finish, I am just gonna add on a lip color. So this is the Mary Kay Nurshine lip gloss in the color Gold Rush. Just looks like this. I'm gonna put that on. Some of you guys might not know this about me, but I really hate wearing anything on my lips that isn't like a gloss or a chapstick. I don't like lipstick because it's just, especially matte lipstick, it's just too drying. But lip gloss, your girl loves. Alright guys, that is it for today's video using the Naked Heat palette to create this eye makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, be sure to give a huge thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for future videos. I do have some more videos coming out this month. I'm super excited because, as I've said it many times in the video so far, I love fall and Halloween, so I do plan on having Halloween makeup videos coming out and maybe some fall decor hauls or something like that. I did pick up a couple new decorations for the house. And I can also do a house tour, so we'll see how it goes. But be sure to subscribe so you can stay tuned for when those come out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.